Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, we're going to make something unique. We're going to make like a game where like you have to guess the letters. So like what it is basically is like it's from A to Z and like you type a letter and it says it comes after in the alphabet or before. For people who are like learning the alphabet, this is a good practice, like to know what is before and after, and also it's okay game to play when you have like nothing else left. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to make that today. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'll want to fix this and do import java.util dot asterisk semicolon. Then we do public class java 22nd. I mean, our lesson is 23rd, but because the first lesson was like about teaching you guys how to install it, yeah, the projects are one lesson behind, but it's okay, it's not a problem. Okay, then we fix this to the eye, all that, and now we delete this and start. We'll do scanner. Wait, okay, let's do scanner sc equals new scanner system dot in semicolon. Then we do char target equals char here. And then here we'll do a. Okay, wait. Okay. I put this here. I'll delete this and do a plus new random dot. Let me just delete this. Dot next int 26, which are the amount of letters in the alphabet. Okay. Now I put that in and I put this in here. Okay, and next we'll go down and here we'll type system dot out dot println, and then here we'll type guess the letter. Now we type A dash Z here, and that's it. Now all we do is put this here to fix that. Now we'll type while true, and then we'll put this here. And here we will type system dot out dot println. Actually, no, we'll do print instead. Print. I'll delete all of this here. Okay, and here we'll type. Wait, let me fix this. Okay, your guess. Okay. Now we'll put a space here and go down. Char. We'll type char. Guess equals sc dot next line dot to lower case dot char at. Then we'll type 0 here and then do semicolon here. Okay, now we'll go and type if guess equals target. We'll put equal twice. And we'll put this here. Then we'll do system dot out dot println. Correct. And we do this. Now here we type break. Okay. And we'll bring the code back here. And here we type else if yes is less than target, which like the letters, I mean like behind. We'll type, let's just delete this here. Wait, we'll put this. Okay, the next here move this to S. We'll type system dot o dot println too early in the alphabet. Try another. Okay, now we'll bring this back here. We'll line it here. Okay, now here we'll type else. And here we'll type system dot out dot println. Instead we'll type too late in the alphabet. Try another. Okay. And then we'll fix this here. We just do this. Okay, we'll put this here. And okay. Alright, now we did the code. Now we just like, wait, let me just do this for a second. Okay, wait, I think I might have made a tiny mistake here. Oh yeah, okay. I see. I had to like put one of these brackets, guys. So like put that around and okay, we'll select all, right click or control A or select all. I'll just do control A, right click, run as one Java application. And I guess select our guess. A, too early. Okay. Let's do S. S is too early. U maybe? Oh yeah, nice. Okay, we can try another. W, L, C. Oh, nice. I don't know why I'm getting this in 3 or 4 attempts. Let's do one more and yeah, I'll do it. That's it. T, uh, H. Okay, H is too early, but K. Okay, so it's either L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, or S. Maybe Q. It's either R or S. Okay. So that's it for like today's lesson. That's basically what this does. It's pretty good for like a game to like when you're like bored or something and you have nothing else. This is a like pretty basic project. And yeah, I guess that's it. So if you enjoyed this lesson, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to receive more notifications on my videos. And I'm planning to do something for after this Java ends. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm planning to like do a new course. So stick to that. I will make a new course on something else. Thank you guys for watching today's lesson, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Have a great day.